Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Edition 5.7 HEMI. This is what it sounds like before. You can't even hear it. Look at that. So quiet. Even with revving, like how close I got it up there, and it's still quiet. Here's decibels. Go ahead. It's right at 77. So quiet. All right. So we're gonna take the resonators off. As you guys can see, you can turn it off. Take the two resonators off. I'm gonna put a next pipe right here, and we're gonna take the mid off. All right, stay tuned, and maybe new tips. We'll see. All right, guys, 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit, 5.7 liter HEMI in it. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. We don't have one of these on the channel, so I said I'm gonna do a video on it for you guys. Converter, then mid-muffler delete. You always want to add an X pipe when you can, if the customer can afford it. It helps with exhaust scavenge. It gives it a little bit more power. Right there, 2.25 continues. And then we did a rear resonator delete also on this side, and a rear resonator delete on this side. And then these Jeeps come with these wide tips that you guys can see right there. So we took them off and put quads in its place. It looks a lot cleaner and a lot nicer, as you guys can see. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the muffler, the mid muffler that was on it, and the two resonators I showed you guys earlier. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. That's it. Nice idle on it. There's the idle on it. Right at 81. Go ahead and give it gas. That's clean. You see it lifting up? It's flowing a lot better. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 109. Go ahead and back it out. Jeep Summit, man, fully loaded. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's our beautiful shop, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Let's see what this thing can do. Nice wide open road. Here we go. Let's see this pull. Oh man, that's perfect. You can still hear it. Wow. Look, you can still hear it. So what do you guys think? Yes? All right.